Alright, so if you want to access your process rough draft peer reviews, if you just navigate to the start of our class, you'll see the modules list. Scrolling down, look for the actual directions for the process essay peer review to the very bottom of the process module. And when clicking on it, you'll actually see instructions, and at the very top it says that in order to access the peer drafts, you actually have to go over to the rough draft page. So we'll click on that, and then you want to look on the right hand side here. Get your normal submission verification, gives you that little check mark, tells you when it's been submitted, gives you the name of the file and whatnot, and then right underneath it you see this little list of assigned peer reviews with 2 names. So just go ahead when you're ready to actually provide some feedback on your peers' papers, click on one, and it'll take you to a screen like this. Now don't click on this, don't click on the actual name of the file. What you actually want to click on this tiny little button over here on the right. It's a little piece of paper, it's got a magnifying glass over it. If you hover the cursor over it, it'll say preview the document. So go ahead and preview that document, and it'll open up this little page. It's kind of tiny, unfortunately. I wish it was a little bigger, but it's not. You can kind of, if you want, play with it so you get a little bit bigger if you want to. But basically you're going to use the comment feature or the highlight feature. The highlight feature is really easy. If you've ever used Word, it's the same basic principle. Okay, you click on highlight, pick the color, and then you just point the cursor wherever you want to start your highlight, press down, drag, and let go, and you can highlight something. If you want to use the comment feature, this is the one I use most frequently, and you'll probably end up using most frequently. Just go ahead and click on that menu. And if you want, you can pick different kinds. I usually just do point comment, and it'll change your cursor to this little red pointer. And just once you figure out whatever it is you want to comment on, you just click on it, and it'll open up this little margin window on the right. And you can add in whatever it is you want to write in here, whatever description or comment you want to make. So in this case, we might say, put the info block on the left side, something as simple as that. And so go through with the paper and try to get about 3 comments per page of both of the papers you've been assigned to read. You can look at the instructions for the peer review itself, so you can see exactly what I'm suggesting you comment on. So if you have any trouble with this, or if something doesn't open for you, because occasionally a file will be submitted that's kind of quirky or weird, just contact me as soon as you can and we'll try to sort it out. Alright.